Bennie Masters lecture The Law of Cause and Effect in Abstaining from Harsh Speech. Dear fellow practitioners, greetings to all. Success lies in the path of discipline. Do you wish to abandon harsh speech and achieve pure merit? Today, guided by the Sutra of the 10 Virtuous Deeds, we explore the law of cause and effect in abstaining from harsh speech, upholding rules to cultivate causes, purifying speech to establish virtuous karma, and attaining the 8 pure deeds. Let us ignite righteous effort and advance toward the path of fulfillment. Upholding rules to cultivate causes, the foundation of success. To succeed and avoid failure, one must uphold rules. In Buddhism, cultivating causes and establishing their methods is the essential starting point. As taught in the Upsaka Precept Sutra, vowing to uphold precepts is like a sewing machine, constantly planting seeds. Completing a karmic cause requires 3 elements: the root, the means, and the fulfillment. Through disciplined study, understanding, and training, precision without error enables realization. For example, to save the sick, study medicine. Seeing suffering and merely wishing to help without action reflects a lack of cause and condition. Fulfilling these completes the process. Observing the mind to end evil. Purifying harsh speech. Examine the mind that wishes to curse. What shape is it? Round, square, triangular, how large? Keep observing, and you'll find it vanishes under your piercing gaze. Facing severe habits is hard to overcome, yet no matter how many times it takes, we must act, never letting afflictions ruin us. Abstaining from harsh speech begins with observing the mind, uprooting its source. The law of abstaining from harsh speech, 8 pure deeds achieved. The Sutra of the 10 Virtuous Deeds states, if one abstains from harsh speech, one attains 8 pure deeds. What are these 8? 1. Cause, abstaining from the excess of harsh speech. Fruit, speech stays within bounds, measured and appropriate. 2. Cause, abstaining from the harm of harsh speech. Fruit, speech always benefits, helpful to all, free of hurt. 3. Cause, abstaining from the irrationality of harsh speech. Fruit, speech aligns with truth, rational and unbiased. 4. Cause, abstaining from the coarseness of harsh speech. Fruit, words become delightful, pleasant and appealing. 5. Cause, abstaining from the rejection of harsh speech. Fruit, speech is acceptable, trusted and embraced. 6. Cause, abstaining from the intimidation of harsh speech. Fruit, speech inspires confidence, credible, free of fear. 7. Cause, abstaining from the ridicule of harsh speech. Fruit, speech is beyond reproach, unassailable and respected. 8. Cause, abstaining from the ugliness of harsh speech. Fruit, speech is universally loved, cherished by all who hear. Dedicating merit. The Brahma voice fulfilled. If this merit is dedicated to Anattarasa Mayak Sambodhi, upon becoming a Buddha, one attains the Tathagata's Brahma voice. Pure and perfect speech resounding everywhere, benefiting all beings. Dear fellow practitioners, uphold rules to abandon harsh speech and secure success. Vow to cultivate causes, purify the mind for virtuous deeds, follow the 10 virtuous laws to achieve the 8 pure deeds, and dedicate this merit to supreme enlightenment, attaining the Brahma voice. May we forsake harsh speech, perfect our words, achieve pure merit, and step onto the fulfilled path. Thank you all.